Dublin, lots of other countries, but some people kind of realise this and don't. Like our good friend Cassandra, who comes all the way from New Zealand. And we sometimes had, last week we had a request for someone, didn't we? From New Zealand. Who was watching? And Mr. Butler. From New Zealand. So, it's from New Zealand, isn't it? Yes. Anyway, all very much. Lovely to see you. I think Halifax could be the order for the day. Does that meet with everybody? For everybody who's watching online and for everybody who's in real life, the real person is the home ruler, David, often comes from which was like in the single game.
That's a big question.
orchestra is different. We all heard the word about the orchestra, the classical orchestra, tuning up and whatever, getting ready. And then that's what came on the stage. Phillips, your ears out the truth. Phillips is not in today. He said, when he comes in, he'll have these out the truth. Thank you very much. Moving swiftly on. Michael? Yeah, what? Michael? Well, see Michael, the Phillips.
All right.
Sun is nice, which is Of course it is, sorry. Sure. Okay, thank you.
Oh yeah, they're slower.
Sunrise.
I know, but it's so nice. I'm kidding, I don't care.
Keep my head down.
It's not too, it's not too hot, it's okay, it's just nice. They'll probably disappear very soon.
I'm going to sleep over.
Just reminds me. It takes you a while to get in on it again if you've done it for a few weeks. It's not too far from Halifax. Yes, I think it's brilliant. They're quite small. Yes. And it's beautiful. I just remember watching that she was left some land and underneath the roof. You've been able to dig out yeah. So that way it's just very charming. She would dress like a man. She was so comfortable. And she's a traveler. She's I know curious. Very interesting to me. And she's doing a big trip. Every trip she goes to find but she stood up to the men. Yeah, in a crowd.
Yeah, that was
I feel the sun coming on.
there.
Now you can see properly.
Yeah, good. Good.
You must see the song sing out.
What was that last one? What was that last one?
Yeah, the last two. Over the board to Maggie.
What do we have there? We have the very black smoke. We will have to forge ahead, that's very black. And then after we get that joke, take good.
Bang it out.
I heard a young girl call. My girl, they are taking you away. Oh, you stole your dragon storm. So the young might see the dawn. Now the prison ship lies waiting in the bay. I heard a young man calling. Nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Against the famine and the crown, I rebelled, they cut me down. And you must raise our child in liberty. Lord, I believe that the right where once we watched the storm rebirth alive. Our love is on the wing. We have dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely around the field of problem?
For a minute we thought there was, but I think you're fine. It's the floor, not the table. Where'd you Chairman, I've just been away 2 weeks. We were playing, and I said I must
So we'd like to play a couple of tunes in her memory. Tunes from the Countess Tipperary. We'd like to say offer our condolences obviously to we'd like to play a couple of tunes in her memory. Would you like to play? The first tune is composed by Padma Arena. And the second tune is Tom Gillis. First one is in the key David. Second tune by and so we'll dedicate it to great New Zealand.
Parce que j'ai équipé ces dates pour jouer dans les tonalités de Do, Sol, Fa.
Afraid not? I'm afraid not.
You're the mayor.
Relax.
was so funny.
That's like in Africa, trading white child.
And he says how much he enjoys the tours.
Oh yeah, back in here. It's real fantastic. We had to do that
I had to pay for my bills and it was so, I'm not able to do this. And at the end of it, they said, you've got to go back to, I don't think I'm able to do that either. But it was so funny the way he's so funny. I mean, you see
brother chillers. Well, likewise, I like 72.
before you put it on. He does a very good job. Michael
And it gives you enough insurance.
visitors come in, to the hospital. They're very nice guys. I wish the people of Ireland. It was so polite. And they said, what about our neighbour? He was asking her to live on one. And you knew the guy.
Oh, no, that's a real picture.
It was quite funny the way he did it.
The day I came here, I there's no going back.
Afraid not.
On my mum's side.
So I felt,
So
I didn't have
second reel is swinging on the gate, as my friend Matt said to me, that will be swinging through the trees. Hold on. Swinging on the gate. And the third reel will
Street there, just 2
9 yards to the front. Is there anybody here? I want to remember Grace.
Good.
So 3 wheels.
what did he say they were? They were
So these are
Street there.
So that was 4 the street lamp, Mullingar for the flowers. The 8th of August, 7th, 8th of August, all roads lead to Camden Mullingar. Mullingar's roughly in the middle of the market.
Yeah.
If we can get accommodation, we'll all be there.
Chance in the field.
Has anybody got a mobile phone? We haven't had the 12-year-old person. Oh, that's what discrimination. The whole thing competition.
But a brother is less
Come, all you loyal heroes, wherever you may be. Don't hire with any farmer till you know what the work may be. For he will rise you early from the clear daylight till dawn, and you never will be able to cloud the rocks upon. Oh, rise up, lovely, sweetie boy, and give your horse some hay, and give him a good feed of oats before he starts his day. Don't feed him on soft turnips that you grow on yonder lawn, or he never will be able to plow the rocks upon. My shoes, they are all worn now, and my stockings, they are thin, and my heart is always burning in case that they give in. My heart is always warning from the clear day light till dawn, and I never will be able to plow the rocks of dawn. Oh, curse upon you, sweetie boy, 'cause you have been nearly robbed. You sit there by the fireside with your doujin in your gob. You sit there by the fireside bright from the clear daylight till dawn, and you never will be able to plow the rocks of dawn. Oh, I wish the Queen of England would call for me in time and place me in some regiment, all in my youth and prime, and place me in some regiment from the clear daylight till dawn, and I never would return again to plow the rocks of dawn.
Get ready for 2 months later.
All your fingers and feet.
All right. Well, I just play along with you guys. That's big enough. That's great. It's great. We can see.
No more.
Very good.
She brings everybody in.
Well, he pauses every word, so everybody wondering what you're going to say next, so he draws everybody in.
And he's never like even if there's one person who's being out of order a little bit, he just calms him down nicely. That's it. Because when Joe starts to sing, I just want to leave this guy to he says, okay, Joe, get up my eye on you. He's good at Joe.
Very good. It's a difficult customer.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to the Irish Cultural Centre tonight for tonight's trad session and tonight's theatre show, The Man Who Murdered Michael Collins. Tonight's show is in two halves. Actually, if anybody, I may have told some people it's in one half. It's 45 minutes, then a 15-minute interval, and then another 45 minutes. So please pre-order your interval drinks, folks, because there's going to be 150 people here tonight for the show, and there's 150 people coming tomorrow night as well. So there's 20 tickets left for both nights. So if you're looking for a ticket, please get one tonight or on the website for tomorrow, because we're most likely to sell out. Trad session musicians, can you push closer together a little bit just to create a bit of space? We're going to get quite busy, I'm sure, in the next sort of 20 to 30 minutes. So if you can push in, and everybody at these tables as well, just push in a little bit, and that'll create a bit of space here for the bar. And the doors to the show will open around 7:30. And just to let everybody know that next week is Good Friday, so we are closed. There is no session next Friday. If you show up here, I won't be here. Yes. Thanks, folks.
Very interesting thing.
Murdered by
That's even interesting. Yes.
We'll all pretend we're friends.
Conspiracy.
Come on over to my place. Everybody will move in closer. Lovely, beautiful, lovely.
It was a civil war, so
Of course, yeah. But it was, yeah, and it was all cold that was where Spain the blood.
and young.
It'd be good to, I'd like to see it at some point.
I mean, I'm a two-year, but
It's a new film, though, isn't it?
I think so. I think so.
There was another Michael Collins film that was years ago.
Oh, of course, that's right. Oh, that was a big one about,
Big fella.
about 20 years ago. Or what's his name?
Murder.
There's a guy, Jordan, made it.
Oh, yes, what's his name? Neil Jordan.
Neil Jordan,
Yeah.
he made it
The
too.
guy who did it was Lee Neeson.
Yes. Oh, no, that was about, that must have been about,
Yeah, it's been around a long time, yeah, it's Neeson. That's why we're here.
yes. Well, good for them. But still, my young standing, my standing, to man's blind indifference to his to a whole generation that was butchered in mind. And again, and again, and again, and again. The beat comes slowly, living, playing, quite slowly, with the sound of their march, as they know what you got. With the band play the last chorus and chorus, with the band play the flowers of the forest.
Any betting people in here today?
Joe!
No? Anybody has a flutter on the horses here?
Joe!
No.
Joe is a betting person.
Joe.
Joe.
Oh,
Joe.
Joe. Hey, Joe. Well, I've just had a tip from Jerry for the Grand National, and it's a very hot tip. The horse is called Clothesline. He told me to put your shirt on. Thank you very much indeed. Now, how many out of 10 for that joke? Did anybody say 10?
I'll have to go down over it.
It's not a bad joke. It's one of my favorites. Anyway, moving swiftly on. Tunes. The tunes have to breathe more easily. Realise the truth. Well, yes. I just asked my questions as far as
Yes.
New Zealand. Britain.
Yeah, Brittany.
So maybe
Cameron's pointing in that direction.
Yes, that's good, because I thought, okay, I'm not
Out of
certainly,
the line of fire, I'd swear.
or at least to know it's on YouTube, so if you want to.
Well, centre line of fire,
Yeah.
pretty slim. That's great.
Definitely, that's where it should be sent to. With the background noise.
I occasionally took a recording of the background, but one instrument that cuts melting us.
It does, yeah, and it's so, and Old Scottie's such an expert player, you know. There's no deliberation. I mean, there's no hesitation.
That's it. like a musical sort of fuzz around.
Yeah, and Michael is very good too.
And Michael's playing, and Michael's playing, and he's playing God.
Yes. They have a big festival in Lorient.
Oh yes, yeah. Originally I'm from Cork, but I've been here for a long time.
Oh, right, yeah. I'm from Dublin.
How about yourself?
Oh, yeah, I've been here about nearly 40 years.
Our good friend Pierre Henri, all the way from France, now residing in Paris.
Oh, great.
He plays a blues tune. It's called Milk Cow Blues. And it's in the key of A.
Milk Cow
It's a tune from Louisiana.
Oh, great. Louisiana, which is French, yeah. French influence.
Ce matin, j'ai mis un pied au bas du lit, regardé dans mon châssis, mais j'ai un bébé dans le parti. J'ai dit, vois mon cher bébé, oh s'il vous plaît, tu vas venir là, mon canta en criant dans la maison, depuis que ma bébé est gone.
To my baby.
J'ai navigué le bayou, marché la grande prairie, cherché les cypriens jusqu'à l'autre bord la bacanière. Je dis moi mon cher bébé, oh s'il vous plaît, tu vas venir dans mon canta en criant dans la maison, depuis que ma bébé est gone. Le bayou, marcher la grande prairie, chercher les cypriens jusqu'à l'autre bord la bacanière. Je dis moi mon cher bébé, oh s'il vous plaît, tu vas revenir là, mon canta en criant dans la maison, depuis ma bébé est gone.
Now, who have I forgotten? Let's speak again. John.
John.
How can I forget John?
John.
I nearly did. John, would you mind the song?
It's okay, John.
Listen as loud as we can.
the curling hair with laughing teeth and bashful air. The brighter morn is dawning fair with blushes in the sky. Shoo, shoo, shoo-la-roo. Shulga sucker agus shulga tune. My love, my pearl, my own dear girl, my mountain maid arise. Wakeling it of the ocean grow, wake trembling, stainless virgin dove. As you nestle in your parents' love, let morning see your eyes. I am no stranger, proud and gay, to take you from your home away, and find thee for a distant day a theme for waiting sigh. For we were known from infancy, your father's heart was home to me. No selfish thoughts were mine for thee, unholy or unwise. And yet we see what love can do, though my love has been so true. My cheeks are pale and worn for you, and sunken are my eyes. But soon my love will be my bride, and happy by our own fireside. My veins shall feel the rosy tide that lingering hope denies. Shul, shul, shularum. Shulga sucker agus shulga kyun. My love, my pearl, my own dear girl, my mountain maid arise.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to the Irish Culture Centre tonight for tonight's crowd session and tonight's show, The Murder of Michael Collins. The Murder of Michael Collins will take place in our auditorium. Folks, if you've got tickets, the doors to the auditorium are on the left, well, your right, my left of the bar here, and the doors will open as close to 7:30 as we can get, and the show will go up at 8 o'clock. The show is in two halves tonight. It's 45 minutes first half, 15-minute interval, and then another 45-minute half. You can pre-order your interval drinks, folks. It's got 150 people coming tonight, so I recommend ordering your interval drinks, as it will operate as a theatre with the bar being closed during the show. Thank you very much, folks, and enjoy the rest of the track session.
The Shula room is slightly, when I know it's slightly different, but he says Shula soccer. Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
The songs our grandfathers would have sung.
that's right, you can see that.
That time.
And not unlike John McCormack.
Yes, or
A little
yes,
bit.
a bit like that. Some
Look at that
pop
style.
song music.
Yes. No, it's interesting. If you go back to folk ones,
No, I don't. My family dissipated now.
have they?
Maybe in Canada, so
Oh, right, yeah.
life changes too.
Well, life is always changing, yeah. And if it moves on, you think it's always going to be the same, and suddenly it's a shift.
Then you find all of a sudden
Yeah.
it's total bloody places change. Everything.
Oh, everything. Yeah. Well, Ireland hugely has changed. Yeah, but it's good to see the young people are playing and the music is as strong as ever. You know what I mean? Very good musicians.
I'm to hear a song like that being sung still. Like
Oh, I think that's marvelous.
I know it's by all.
I think every song for any generation is marvelous.
It's good, yeah.
And I quite like the Shannon style of singing,
It is, yeah, but I think especially
which is all in Irish.
it's, I think whoever sings song, he's to different
Oh, like he is.
with conviction.
Oh,
And
yes.
that's got to be
Yes.
especially for that generation. That is something for a young person to sing.
Yes. But they'd love to listen to it and say, you know,
Ladies and gentlemen, if you've got tickets for tonight, we will scan tickets on the door as you go into the theatre. All you need to show is your QR code on your ticket. That can be shown on your smartphone or on paper. So when we open the doors, have your ticket ready, but we will scan those QR codes as you go into the theatre. Thank you.
that's another violent case. I've never seen one like that.
You know it's
Louisiana.
have a code on the top right hand corner there as well. Yes. It's a digital code.
Well, I see here somebody tried to take it.
That's it. Some maybe locking device or whatever.
Yeah,
But hey,
and
some
why
people,
not? Because
some people will take that just take it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's the great thing about music. You can just put it in
Well,
your,
well,
you can just put it in your I say that's the great thing about this. You can just put it in. You see, it's got a special code on this thing.
there are not too many people who want to steal birds. I mean, you only hear of them still lost on the bloody tube or something.
Yes.
Or always leaving them slightly killed something.
Yeah, because they put them up, or on a train. Yeah.
But it's not really
Expensive
people
enough insurance.
don't smoke. You know, there's very little value in sort of recycled violence. I mean, you don't,
Maybe not.
it's not a culture.
I believe there was one that was very expensive that somebody left, but they eventually found it. Somebody nicked it, not realizing the value of it when it was publicized. And
In a jump shop for a $5 or something, you know.
yeah, exactly. They didn't know the value of it, but they did get it back because it was highly publicized or something.
Which is great.
Is that hard to play, the concertina? Is that hard to play?
Well, it's not really, but I don't play it well. But it takes
Yeah.
practice, and I don't practice. So
This
I'm
is the
afraid.
good thing, you can just, I like that, it's very democratic here, you can just play in the ones you know. I think that's what's nice about the session, you know.
That is nice about it.
There's no
You can
protocol.
opt in or opt out.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
nice. It is.
gentlemen, the doors are now open for tonight's show, The Murder of Michael Collins. If you've got tickets and drinks, can you please make your way into the auditorium? The auditorium is on my left, your right of the bar, and your tickets will be scanned on the door as you go in. It's free seating, folks. There's no obstructed view anywhere in the hall, so please take any seat you like. It will be busy though, so please push up and fill up from the front. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, you're very welcome to the Irish Cultural Centre tonight for tonight's show, The Murder of Michael Collins. The doors are now open for you to take your seats. The doors are open on my left, your right of the bars. When you've got your drinks, you can please start making your way into the hall. The show will start as close to 8 o'clock as we can. It'll be in 2 parts. The first half is about 45 minutes, and then there'll be a 15-20 minute interval, and the second half is roughly the same amount of time. Folks, you can also pre-order your interval drinks to save queuing at the bar during the interval. It's about 150 people coming tonight, folks, so please pre-order your interval drinks, and please start making your way through to the auditorium in tonight's show. Transition, folks, thank you very much. We've got 20 minutes left, and remember, it's Good Friday next week, so if you show up, I won't be here. You can play on the street. Thank you.
Hey, Joe.
Love it. This time we give you Joe. Are those nuts, please? So, in my drink. You happy there? Yes. Okay. Joe, this time. You want to keep
As far away I am today from scenes I roamed the boy. And long ago the hour I know I first saw the night. A time, no tide, no waters wide, can wean my heart away. Forever true, it lies to you, my own dear Norway. My chosen bride is by my side, a brown hair silver gray. Her daughter Rose was like her rose as April dawn today. Our only boy is mother's joy, his father's pride and stay. With gifts like these, I live at ease, but I near always be. Oh, gray and bleak, by shore and free, the rugged rocks abound. But sweet and green the grass between, as grows an Irish ground. So friendship fond or well beyond, and love that lives always. Let's each put home beside your phone, my dear will always be. A prouder man, I walk the land in health and peace of mind. Divine my toil and strife and mine, thou cast one thought behind. But what would be the world to me, its wealth and rich array? A memory I lost of thee, my dear old Galway Bay. Wager!
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to the Irish Culture Centre for tonight's show, The Murder of Michael Collins. The doors to the theatre are now open. They're on my left, your right at the bar. Here's a feel free to come through, get a drink, pre-order your eligible drinks, and then please make your way round into the auditorium as the show will start as close to 8 o'clock as we can get it up. The show will be in two halves, folks. It'll be 45 minutes first half, it'll be 15-20 minute interval, and then 45 minutes second half. Please pre-order your interval drinks, folks, as we're expecting about 150 people. It is free seating tonight, folks. There's no unobstructed view anywhere in the theatre, so take a seat and enjoy it. Please come up from the front. Thank you.
Those three of them. I'll wait till they get interviewed.
Start back with the area.
Jill has a spot now.
Very much. Excellent. Thanks so much. That is there too.
He's so happy though, isn't he? The National County Court. The battery is low.
It's not charging.
Yeah. He got a technician.
Disconnected.
Is it a...
Came out of the socket, like a socket, did it?
Yeah, there's something there. Is it an iPhone? Is it an iPhone, do you think? It's low battery, just noticing.
Oh, low battery.
Running out.
I wondered if... Oh, so it probably did get that then.
But no, I'm sure
No,
it's
you're
fine.
fine. It's running at the moment.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you, everybody.
Another 10
Thank you,
seconds.
everybody.
But it needs more juice.
Great, the National County Court.
night. Where is the holy ground? Okay, I nearly forgot David. David. How can I forget David? I'll never forget what's his
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your 10-minute call to the show for the murder of Michael Collins. 10-minute call to the show. If you have your tickets and your drinks, if you can please start making your way into the auditorium. That's on my left, your right of the bar, and your tickets will be scanned as you go through. Thank you very much.
More singers, two. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Children over there, everybody. Young children. And we're not here next week. We hope you have a lovely evening. Take care. We'll see you next week tomorrow.
It's a very good little battery.
Yeah, might seem through 2 minutes like last week. Hang on. Box of on more, take us out.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your 5-minute call for tonight's show, The Murder of Michael Collins. 5-minute call. If you've got your tickets and your drinks, can you please make your way into the auditorium, which is on my left, your right of the bar, folks. This is your 5-minute call. Thank you.